Hello, friends. This is David Pasqualone with davidpasqualone.com and the Remarkable People podcast. And if you're like me, you shop on Amazon a lot. And if you're using your desktop or laptop computer, you may be using something called Amazon Smile. If you don't know what Amazon Smile is, in short, basically they give a small percentage of everything you buy to the charity you choose. However, if you're like me, you do the majority of shopping from your phone. And if you don't specifically set it up, that money's just going to waste. So if you go to your Amazon app, type the home button in the left-hand corner to make sure we're all on the same page, then you see the hamburger menu in the right, those 3 lines. Click that and then scroll. And then as you scroll, it says Amazon Smile. If you click Amazon Smile, you can turn it on, pick the charity. I support the Gideon's International, fantastic ministry. 100% of all donations go towards Bibles and distribution around the world. Members such as myself, we pay dues that cover all the administrative costs. So how often do you see an organization that 100% of what you donate goes towards the cause? Very rare. So anyways, by simply turning this on and shopping like you normally do, now your charity gets the donation. That's it. I'm David Pasqualone. I hope this doesn't just help you, it helps your charity and it helps better the world. Ciao.